Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will explain to you what Nitro SEO is and why you should probably not buy this software. I will provide the explanation and will show the reason on my live website. And as well, I will tell you about use cases where this software still can be relevant. So first of all, what is Nitro SEO? This is a tool which will automatically enhance your titles and meta descriptions for your web pages. That is the main killer feature of this software. So let me explain you on the example. I have connected my website crowdedlab.com. On this website, there are summaries about AppSumo deals and other software. So let's imagine we would like to optimize a page, which is a blog post actually. And before we do that, please check out the link in the description to this giveaway. So don't miss a chance to win $100 worth of AppSumo codes. So with this Nitro SEO, you do initial setup for your website. You choose primary location, you choose several keywords, then your target audience. This one was actually suggested by the tool. You define your expertise, and later, the only additional setup you need is adding this piece of code to your website. If you're using WordPress, it is pretty easy to do. With some plugins, you can easily add this code to the head part of your website. But even if you are not using WordPress, it is pretty easy to add to your website. Then the system will analyze all the pages on your website. You will get some initial score. A bit tricky part was that you need to click few of these buttons. I was pretty confused why the integration is not working, and I had to click activate and verify button, and then I had to click auto optimization button, and then the site started working. So then the tool will get all the pages from your website, and here is the killer feature of this Nitro SEO. So the main purpose of this tool is to optimize title and description of your blog post. It does as well optimization for alt text for images, but I would say the primary focus here is to optimizing titles and descriptions. So we can view original and optimized version. So based on the keywords you add, it will try to squeeze some of those into the content to make it more relevant for the search engines. And now let me explain the reason why you probably should not buy this tool. Let's take a look at a particular page. Keyword hero AppSumo deal. For that page, we can see original title and now optimized. So optimized title, let's copy that, and it contains AppSumo deals. So here it is, that page in the incognito browser, and at the top, please take a look. You can see that optimization here, AppSumo deals. But now take a closer look when I refresh the page. For a fraction of a second, you can see old title without optimization. You see? So why that happens? Basically, it is the nature of the integration of this tool. It integrates through a JavaScript. So first, the browser loads the static content, and then this additional piece of code provided by Nitro will modify the page content. Just take a look one more time. Old title, new title. We can verify that there are no modifications in the static part here by looking at the page source, and we can look for the new title, so it is not there. It is being updated dynamically after the page was loaded. And I honestly have some concerns that search engines will pick effectively such dynamic changes to the pages, because it will require more compute resources, because it is much easier to load and read the static content rather than executing JavaScript on your pages. And I saw the question on that topic. One of the users asked, will Google pick up the dynamic changes to the SEO tags? Well, the answer was the tool automatically renders the web page with code with optimized meta tags for both search engines and users. So again, maybe it does. I don't know how effective it happens because it is much easier to index and read first the static content rather than dynamic. Though in general, the idea is great. You just add one piece of code to your website, do some initial setup, configure the keywords you need to target, and you get optimized titles and meta descriptions. However, if you are using a WordPress, I would rather use some tools like Squirrely SEO. Maybe it will be back on AppSumo. So to optimize a WordPress site, I would rather go with a WordPress plugin. It will give you more flexibility in the optimization, and it should be better for SEO engines. So in which cases I would still recommend Nitro SEO? Well, if you are not using a WordPress, or maybe it is a custom developed website, or it's some kind of content management system which is not a WordPress, and there are no plugins to optimize your titles and descriptions. In this case, I would recommend Nitro SEO. However, if you are using WordPress, I would strongly recommend some kind of well-established plugin for technical SEO improvements on your website. Alright, so that was my quick overview of Nitro SEO. Please give this video a like if you find this content useful, and if you would like to try Nitro SEO, the link will be in the description. Please subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.